Hi, my name is Madeline Mirador, and this is my exam mini video 5. So I was given two DNA strands in vivo. The first one is 5' to 3', so I'm looking for a DNA strand that has 5 proteins in it. So we see obviously ATG, which is met, and that is AUG when you translate it. So then you'd have TGG, ATT, ACT, and then TGA, which is a stop. So there you only have 4, so that's not going to work. The second one was given 3' to 5', so I flipped it here on the bottom so we can read it right, and that starts with ATG, that's met here, and then you have GTC, AGG, TTC, AAG, and then TAA, which is a stop codon, which is UAA. So here you have 5, which is the one we're looking for here. So here I've taken the strand that we're looking at, the DNA strand, and translated it to mRNA, and then showed you what proteins they code for. So we have MET, VAL, ARG, Phi, LIS, and we stop. So here we have a missense mutation, which means that somewhere in the sequence there's a point mutation, and here it's from C here to a G, which results in this codon here. And it changed from a C to a G, which is a transversion, and results in LU here. So it results in a different amino acid than the original strand, which I think was Phi. Instead of Phi, there is LU there. And here we have a silent mutation. So a silent mutation is when there's a point mutation, but it still results in the same amino acid, so you don't know that it really happened. So here we have a C, and we change it to an A. And there, that is a transversion, because we've gone from pyrimidine to a purine. And it results in a different codon than the original strand, but it still codes for the same amino acids, so you don't see a difference there. A nonsense mutation is a point mutation where when you change one of the base pairs, it actually ends up being a codon as a stop codon instead of the amino acid. So here we've changed from A to U here, and that is also a transversion because you've gone from purine to pyrimidine there. And it results in this stop codon here instead of the original strand had LIS in it and then a stop. But here it stops it early with UAG. Last, we have a read-through mutation where instead of a stop codon originally, there is a new amino acid in place. So we've changed this A here in the original strand to a C, and that is also a transversion because you've gone from purine to pyrimidine. And instead of the stop codon that's supposed to occur after LIS, it actually codes for TIR, and then it goes on until at some point there is another stop codon in the strand. And here are my references.